Uncle, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, Uncle. Uncle, please, I want to go and visit Uncle Abos.
Okay, no problem. I can go. Wish. Don't forget what I told you. Do not eat in anybody's house. What did I say?
Do not eat in anybody's house.
Go ahead, yes. Do not eat in anybody's house. What did I say?
Do not eat in anybody's house.
Remember,
We are coming there.
Good luck. How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you know that I've been calling your uncle for over 3 days and he's not answering my call just because of the 8,000 that he's owing me?
Igos,
Yes.
good luck with this way.
Okay.
Good luck. Oh yeah, now your food is ready. Go inside and eat your food.
Uncle, no.
Why?
Uncle's house should not be eating in people's house.
Even me?
Everybody.
But you know your uncle is my very close friend now. Eh? Alright, go and eat. Go and eat inside, eh?
Do not eat in anybody's house. What did I say?
Do not eat in anybody's house. I think you should bring it outside.
I should bring the food outside. You want to eat outside, you?
Yes.
Okay, that's what you want, no problem. Angela, please bring the food outside, eh? You want to eat here?
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Lord of Zachariah. Good Lord. So this is what you came here to do. After what I told you in the morning, not to eat in people's house.
I still came here to eat.
Yeah, allow him to eat his food now. What are you doing? Allow him now. He's not my boy. Leave him. Let good luck eat your food.
Don't do you are still eating. That's stupid. That's stupid. That's stupid.
Uncle, wait. Here you say I should not be eating in people's house. I told him to bring it outside. I'm not eating inside the house. This is outside now. I'm eating outside. Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video. Please subscribe, like and share. Share with your friends. So don't be stingy. Share and subscribe. Please.
Wait.
See you next Friday.
I have an announcement for you. The Miss Unified Diva Nigeria 2018 is coming up. The theme is True Beauty with Brains. I hear me. True Beauty with Brains. The registration starts on April 1st and it has already started. Understand?
And the form is what? 5,000 naira cash.
Yes. Only. So if you know you have what it takes to win this beauty pageant, are you
Yes,
hearing
so
me?
can make guy.
And pick the form. Just pick the form. Are you hearing me? And you stand a chance of winning different prizes. Like a trip to South Africa, 500,000 naira cash, wardrobe allowances, and contracts with beauty homes. Please, if you know we have what it takes, call the numbers on the description of this video. See you next time. Peace up.